If you're looking for a delicious air fryer apple recipe, then keep watching. Friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I am making stuffed air fryer apples. Yep, stuffed air fryer apples, and these are delicious for breakfast, lunch, snack, even dessert. You could top them with some ice cream if you're looking for a delicious, easy dessert. I cannot wait to do this. I am starving right now. I have been running all morning doing errands. I had a doctor's appointment, so I'm starving. So let's turn the camera around and get started. Alrighty, so I have one Granny Smith apple and one Honeycrisp apple. I wanted to see which one I preferred, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to do one of each. I have some old-fashioned oats, some butter, raisins, cinnamon, nutmeg, pecans, and some light brown sugar. And friends, that is all the ingredients, so let's get started. So friends, does that sound delicious? Let's get started. Okay, my friends, I have a bowl here, and I have my two apples. I've already washed them, so I'm just going to slice it right, down the middle. I have a little bit of butter on there from cutting up my butter. I am then going to take my little avocado scoop, and I'm hoping this is going to work, and scoop out the seeds and the core there. Just take that right out. Perfect. Do you see that? Alrighty. You can use a knife or a scoop or whatever. I just thought I'd try this, see if it worked. It does a great job. Alrighty. There we go. Alrighty, I'm going to take a knife. I'm just going to cut out a little bit here so we have a spot to put it in. Like that. I'm going to chop that up. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to chop it up and add it to the topping. Just kind of want to have a spot to put all that. Okay. Let's do that. That. Alrighty. I'm just going to put a couple slices in there like that. Just let the butter and all that go through down in there. I usually do this like this with my potatoes. Alrighty, we're gonna put these aside. Alrighty, so this is my leftover apple. I'm just gonna chop that up finely. I've already did a little bit of prep work. I bought chopped pecans. I did put them in a little baggie and bang it a little bit because I wanted it a little bit finer than what they were in the bag, but that's just a personal preference. And I measured everything out so we can fly right through this recipe. Alrighty. We're just going to put that there. Now I have a half a stick of butter. Well, actually a little bit more. I have 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put that in the microwave and melt it, and then we'll come back and mix it all together. Alright, my friends, I have my butter melted. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and add in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I'm just going to put a dash of nutmeg in there, just a little bit. Mix that up. I have my apples over here on my tray already. And then I'm going to add my sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. You can definitely use dark brown. I just had this open and didn't want to open the dark brown. Okay, and now we're going to take our little bowl. Now I have a 1/4 cup of oats, 2½ tablespoons of chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons of raisins. I'm just going to mix that together really well. And then I'm going to add in my chopped apples. Alrighty, just like that. And then we're going to pour that right in there. I'll save just a tiny bit. Let's mix that up really well. Move this out of the way. I'll bring this over. And I'm just going to pour a little bit, just a little, not a lot, on each one of my apples. Okay. And I'll finish it off in here. Last little drips. And then we're going to mix that, make sure it's mixed really, really well. You want a little bit of everything in your apple. And then we're going to go ahead and stuff our apple. I'm just going to use my hands because I think it's going to be a lot easier. There we go. All right. Now let me just quickly wash my hands and we'll go ahead and get this in the air fryer. All right, my friends, I am just going to add a touch of cinnamon on top. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water in my pan, just a little bit. Okay. Now let's put this in the air fryer without making it fall. There we go. We are going to put this on 350. We're going to cook it for about 22 minutes and then we'll check and see if we need to go farther. Alright, my friends, let's check on it. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see. Oh, it's nice and soft. Oh, perfect. I'm going to let these cool just a little bit before I pick them up. And then we'll go ahead and do a taste test. Alright, my friends, here you have it. I can tell you right now that the raisins got burned on top. I think I could have cut back on the time. Definitely, I would think I'd start out with maybe 17 minutes. I'll make a note in the description box where I add the recipe. But the raisins definitely did get burned on top. This is the Granny Smith apple. So let's take a quick bite of that. Friends, no joke. It is sweet with the Granny Smith. If you like ice cream, I'm not an ice cream person, but ice cream on top. Oh man, it's making my jaws go crazy. It's sweet, but it is really good. Let me go grab the Honey Crisp and see if there's a difference. Alright, there's the Honey Crisp. As you can see, the raisins kind of got burned, but the apple is completely done inside. So I definitely would cut back on the time a little bit, or put the raisins more towards the center so they're not right on top. You can see the steam coming off. Hot. This is not as sweet as the Granny Smith, but it's very good. Very good. This is delicious. I think hubby's gonna like it. I'll let you know down here if he tries it and let you know what he thinks. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Friends, every comment, like, share, I would love if you could share my videos with your friends on your social media sites, because it really does help me out a great deal. It allows me to grow my community and continue doing what I do. So also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.